What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And as the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale and the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale is coming here around the corner, and we know that the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale is going to start around 10th of October, and near the time the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale will also start. Now we are trying to cover a lot of smartphones and all of the coverage for the sale, but here is the major comparison between the two smartphones which you can buy under 30,000 rupees, which is the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE and the Google Pixel 7a. Now before getting this video, I've also mentioned some of the key discounts offers which you can get on Flipkart with the extra 5% off on everything on Amazon as well if you apply for the credit card below. Now let's get started directly into the video. Now first of all, if you are considering to buy budget of 30,000 rupees, then these two smartphones are going to be the best smartphones which you can buy, as the Galaxy S21 FE will be available for around 30,000 rupees and the Pixel 7a has been confirmed that it will also be available for 30,000 in the Flipkart Great Indian Big Billion Day sale and the Great Indian Festival sale. So my apologies for the confusion in these saying the sale, but yeah, coming back, then starting with the processor and the performance of these phones, and the Galaxy S21 FE will be coming with the Exynos 2100 for the 30,000 rupees, and the Pixel 7a will be coming with the Google Tensor G2. Now both of these processors are decently equally performant, so you can't go wrong with any of these processors. Both of these are equivalent to almost Snapdragon 888. And apart from that, if we talk about the display, then the display of the Galaxy S21 FE is better than the Google Pixel 7a, as it is a bigger, brighter, and even it comes with a higher refresh rate. It's an AMOLED display with a 120Hz of high refresh rate when compared to 90Hz from the Pixel 7, and it is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus when compared to the Google's Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Now apart from that, if we talk about the better performance, it's going to be coming with the Samsung's Exynos 2100, but also you have to note that if you are an intense gamer, then these smartphones are not for you, as the Exynos Snap variant of the S21 FE I myself has been using for some time now, and it does heat up in the direct sunlight and even when used in the direct full length of its brightness. But both of these processors are 5 nanometers of fabrication, so it won't give you any kind of an issue with the day-to-day usage. But if we talk about the other things, which is the camera. Now if you are an enthusiast and you want all the three major cameras, which are the main wide angle camera, ultra wide camera and the telephoto camera, then the Samsung S21 FE is a better option. But if you want a camera with more reliable shots and better picture quality, then the Google Pixel 7a is to go, as it comes with a 64 megapixel of a primary sensor and a 13 megapixel of an ultra wide camera. Now the Google camera does miss on with the telephoto camera, but it's been compensated by a 64 megapixel primary camera, and you get a better shots with that, and Google image enhancing AI is better than any other smartphone in the market. But if we talk about the next thing comes about the smartphone is its battery capacity, then both of these smartphones come with a decently packed 4500 mAh battery on the S21 FE, and the Pixel 7a comes with 4385 mAh battery. Now overall, the Galaxy S21 FE is indeed a better battery life on paper, but it also comes with a larger display and a higher refresh rate as well. But the next thing, if we talk about these smartphones, again is about its pricing. That the pricing of these smartphone is going to be the similar one, so you won't be getting any kind of a major difference in the pricing of the phone. But the Galaxy S21 FE and the Pixel 7a both will be available in the Flipkart, so you can get extra 5% by applying into the credit card in the link in the description below. Now overall, if you want a smartphone for daily day-to-day usage and you don't use your phone much for content support, then Galaxy S21 FE is a better option. But if you are someone who just use phone more for taking instant shots and pictures, then the Pixel 7a is the better option to go. Now both of these smartphones do comes with 3 years of major OS upgrade and also 5 or 4 years of security patch. The Galaxy S21 FE was launched at Android 12, so it will get a software update up to Android 15, and the Pixel 7a is launched with Android 13 out of the box, so it will be getting an update of up to Android 16. Now we all know that the Galaxy S21 FE and the Samsung and the Google both are the Android software leaders, And the customization which you get extras with the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE are just crazy. You get a full-fledged Samsung Pay, you get a Samsung Dex support, IP68 water and dust resistance, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and these flagship features are present in the budgeted price as well. Also, the charging speeds on the Galaxy S21 FE are faster than the Pixel 7a's 18 watt of fast charging. However, you need to buy the chargers separately for both of these smartphones. Now, what do you think about this video? If you like this video and if you're watching still so far, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.